Name change in Indiana. If you would like to change your name in Indiana, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explain how you can change your name legally in Indiana. Whether it is a child name change or adult name change, or you want your last name change after marriage in Indiana. You may bring a legal name change proceeding in any county in Indiana state. This information of name change is brought to you by legallynamechange.com. To prepare your documents, please click on the link in the description. Name change cost. First, let's talk about the cost to file a name change in Indiana. You may file your name change in the Circuit Court of Indiana. The cost to file name change forms in Indiana is $250. However, a few courts charge more to file a petition for change of name. Payment may be made by cash, credit card, check, or money order. Forms required for a name change process in Indiana. There are 4 types of name change forms you will have to use to file your name change legally. Adult name change petition in Indiana, a minor name change petition in Indiana. Last name change after marriage or divorce. You must fill out the right forms and bring them to the clerk of the Indiana courthouse near your location. The required forms for Indiana name change process are: 1. Notice of petition for change of name. 2. Consent to change of name of minor. 3. Order on verified petition for change of name. 4. Notice of filing proof of publication. 5. Notice of hearing. 6. Verified petition for change of name. 7. Appearance by self-represented person in civil case. Some courts also require you to fill out local forms to ask for a name change. Ask your local court clerk if there are local forms you have to fill out. You may be able to find your court's local forms on your circuit court's website. Make sure to keep copies of any local forms you fill out. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary public. A notary is available at the Court Help Center. Other documents required for name change in Indiana: birth certificate, social security number, driver license. Marriage name change in Indiana. Fill out your Indiana marriage license application using the new last name that you would like to use and file the application at a clerk's office. After the license has been issued and the marriage ceremony has taken place, order a certified copy of your marriage certificate from the Vital Records Department, $2 fee. This document can be used to update your social security card, driver's license, and other personal records. Name change after divorce in Indiana. If you recently got divorced, the divorce decree is proof that you may resume the use of a prior name. Make at least 2 copies of all your forms. The court will keep the original. 1 copy is for you, the other is for publication in a newspaper. Filing a legal name change in Indiana. Take all completed papers and filing fees to the county clerk's office, the county where you live, where a case number will be assigned. Ask the clerk about the court hearing date, time, and location. Publish your new name in newspaper. Bring the completed notice of petition for name change to a local newspaper. Ask the newspaper to publish the notice 1 time each week for 3 weeks in a row. A publication fee may be required. The final date of publication must be no less than 30 days before the date of your hearing. Go to court hearing if necessary. Visit the courthouse and attend your hearing. Make sure you have the following documents with you: photo identification, birth certificate or other proof of birth, copies of all of your filed paperwork, including proof of publication. Be prepared to respond to questions relating to the reason for your name change. If the request is granted by a judge, he or she will sign the order form and return it to you. This document will be the legal evidence of your name change. Get certified copies decree of name change. Once you get your signed decree, get a certified copy from the court clerk. You can use this to change all your legal documents, including your birth certificate, social security card, and other government-issued identification like your passport or driver's license. You may hire the professional staff of legallynamechange.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.